All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. Amen. Why, my people, this is another one reaching us. Well, I'm still on the mode of congratulations and Ududua Nation going back, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, my people, another news is reaching our table right now. And then onto this one, it says grassroots awareness, local government by local government, and then 18 local governments will be visited. All right, my people, hey, this is another one. And then talking about the 18 local governments, that is this local government that the Ududua nation will be visiting to create awareness about the fact that Ududua nation had been actualized, had been achieved. This is a serious one. Well, my people, majority of people during the day asked a lot of questions, and then I think this question I'm going to answer it, and then I think somebody will be there to answer this question on the comment section. This is very important. All right, and then I'm going to chip in those questions one after the other. Yes, Odudua Nation going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, according to the questions we have gathered so far, majority of people have asked that now that the Odudua Nation agitation had been actualized, meaning the people will be separating from Nigeria. Yes, I said yes. Okay, fine. The person that has a question that, okay, fine. Let's assume that after this actualization, no, definitely the Yorubas will go. Is it only Yorubas that will be staying in that country? That is the Ojibwa nation country, or they will still allow other tribes, other regions to join them, like maybe the Igbos that are already staying in the Yoruba land. Will this set of people still be allowed to live in that Odudua Yoruba nation land? And then that has been the question. And then I now noticed that no, I reasoned it that was a very great question. And then that's what it is. Because right now, even me, I don't know the answer, because that is why I'm bringing it up on the social media right now, so that people who actually understand the answer will be able to answer us through the comment section. Okay, the question right now again is, now that the Ojibwa nation has been actualized, what about the Igbo speaking people who are living in Yoruba land? And in fact, according to the question, say even some of them have land in Yoruba land. So now, if this is actualized, does it mean that they will send all these Igbos away? Because many of them, have even mingled to the extent some of them were even born in Yoruba land. Majority of them even speak Yoruba fluently. So this time around, what do you think is going to happen to these people? That has been the question. And then I think somebody will be able to answer us this question on on the comment section. It's going to be a very great deal. Well, the Ojibwa nation agitation had been on for long. Well, to an extent, I think if I want to my own understanding, if I want to answer that question, I think the Yorubas are not wicked people. They are people that you can stay with. Okay, reason being that, let's take for instance when Chief Sunday Igboho went to Ibarapa Iganga to chase out the Serikin Fulani of that area. Before going there, he said a lot of things to them. He rehearsed with them that, okay, see, as it stands right now, we don't want the activities of the Fulani people, because they have been killing our people, raping the women, in fact, killing our brothers and then our sisters, raping a lot of people, innocent souls dying on a daily basis because of the activities of these Fulani herdsmen. All right, and then Chief Sunday Igboho made mention of something that I will not even forget, and then I think I quite appreciate that. He said, "Fine, that we are not saying the Fulani should leave our land finally. But the truth of the matter is we want them to come to the city. Let us live together as one. Let us be seeing ourselves, so that at least let's see what you are into, let this one see what you are into. Let's try and understand each other, so that peace will reign. Not that we are saying you people should leave the entire town. What we are saying is you people should leave the bush and come to the city to live with normal human beings. And then I was no, I up till now I've not forgotten that part. That come and live with normal human being, so that at least all of us will be able to cater for each other. We know who is who. But this set of people rejected. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is this: the Yoruba nation, as it stands, according to my own knowledge, will never send any other tribe away if these people are ready to live amicably. And I think that's another great one. Well, Oduduwa nation no going back, and exactly what the people are talking about. Well, grassroots awareness from one local government to another, to create that, to let people understand that finally Oduduwa nation had been actualized, had been achieved, so that this set of people will know that this come 2023 election that the people, the Yoruba, the agitators are talking about is is still standing. Hey, that is serious. That come 2023 there's not going to be election. That has been said. No, earlier when the movement started, and I think it is getting to a stage of accomplishment right now. Well, the people are of the opinion that there is no going back on the movement, either they like it or not. I think a lot of people are actually ready for this movement. Ududua Nation, exactly what it is. The people have been of the opinion that no going back, no going back. Well, some side of people thought it was all a joke, but look at where the Ojibwa nation is right now, and then exactly the prayer of the people, because this set of people have actually prayed no severally before now, but thank God, God has finally answered the prayers of the innocent ones. And exactly what we are talking about, exactly what we are talking about. And then meanwhile, the Yoruba nation agitators have warned that nobody should collect any kind of no bribe from any politicians in order to bring down the Yoruba nation, that it will not work. It will be uncalled for. That anyone who tries that will never see the light of the day. A lot of causes have been written down, and then it was gathered that Chief Sunday, while he was in Benin detention, that a lot of politicians visited him, that he should forget about the struggle, that he should forget about the struggle. But Chief Sunday said, no, never, that he will never forget, will never sell his father's land, his people, to the enemy of his father. So it's unfair. It's something he could not do, and then he did not collect. A lot of people have actually suffered it. This is another one, that Chief Sunday rejected such money, and it has been said that anyone who receive money from any politician will not prosper. That's serious, and then I think is a cause from majority. Well, the people are still of the opinion, no going back, and exactly what it is. I think this time around there should be a form of no jubilations, no here and there, because it's not an easy task to for you to get back our nation at this time that everything is difficult. This is serious. I think there is God in this, no doubt. Yes, there is God in it. There is no doubt about that. Well, my people, this is what it is right now. Onto this, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.